Hi friends, so now we are going to discuss how the levels performed for September 12th, 2025, and the levels were posted inside our Telegram channel. I have posted the levels for Asian Paints, Apollo Hospital, HDFC Bank, Havels, Maruti, Bank Nifty, Nifty, XAU USD which is Gold USD, and Bitcoin USD pair, BTC USD. So let us see how to generate these levels with our software. This is our software interface and the file will be like this .exe file. Upon opening this we will get a software interface like this. So to generate levels you just have to select the symbol here. For example, I am selecting Asian Paints here, and for calculating levels for the current day we just have to select get today's opening price and click calculate. And if we are not calculating the levels for the current day but you are backtesting, just select backtesting mode and click any date, which is for example I am selecting 12th September, and let's click calculate. Oh sorry, we have to click autofill reference price as previous day's close. If we click that, reference price will be autofilled and click calculate. So the levels are generated for the previous day but the accuracy will be slightly less. Whenever we are calculating the levels for the current day we will uncheck backtesting mode and click get today's opening price and then click calculate. So if we do like that, the accuracy will be more because the levels will use dynamic reference price as relevant to the current day, which will generate levels with much more accuracy than in backtesting mode. But you can still use the backtesting mode for just reference purpose. For real purpose of trading you can use get today's opening price and click calculate. And another feature is we can export it to the PDF format. Just click here and you can just click you can give any file name and click save. These levels will be exported as PDF format. And another thing is we can plot these levels directly to the trading view chart by exporting these levels from the software. So for that you can click plot levels, and this file generated pine script, this file will be updated with the Asian Paint levels, and we have to just copy this entire script and use it in the trading view chart. So I have already generated the levels for 12th September. You can see here Asian Paint, Apollo Hospital, HDFC Bank, Maruti, Havels, Nifty, XAUSD, BTC USD. We just have to copy the entire script. Control C and go to trading view chart, and you can see a Pine script editor here. Here click create new indicator, and we have to clear whatever we have here already. Clear it and press Ctrl V for pasting. And now click add to chart. We can give any name here like test, and we can go to Nifty chart. So you can see the levels are plotted. Let's go to lower time frame like 3 minutes. So these are the levels. Uptrend starting point is first green line and downtrend starting point is first red line. And you can see two yellow lines, which is reverses on 1 and reverses on 2. So Nifty initially bounced up from the downtrend starting point. It couldn't break that, and it broke the uptrend starting point and gave target 5. Up to target 5 it tried to touch target 6 but failed. And another thing to notice, the price will spend much time at the reversal zone 1 and 2 level. Around these zone price will fluctuate. As you can see the consolidation here, and at the reversal zone 1 and 2 price is supposed to reverse back if the uptrend or downtrend is not having enough momentum. So we can go to Bank Nifty. Initially the downtrend got broken and target 1 and 2 is done, and at target 2 level you can see the exact price behavior at each levels. Initially at the target 1 the price reversed, and at target 2 the price bounced up. It was not having enough momentum in the downside, so later on the uptrend starting point, which is first green line, broken, and it has reached reverses on 1, which is first yellow line, and it bounced. As I said, it is supposed to bounce back at the reverses on 1. You can see exactly where the price got rejected. At this point price bounced downwards all the way up to uptrend starting point, and it gained momentum afterwards, tried again, failed. You can see multiple rejections at this level, reverses on 1 and 2, not 2, 1. And I said price will consolidate at around reverses on 1 or 2 level, between this level. You can see for the rest of the day bank nifty was in sideways momentum at around this level. We can go to stock HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank initially broke downtrend starting point, gave target 1, 2 and 3. At around third target, which is reverses on 1, it bounced initially but gave reverses on 2, which is target 4 level, and at exactly at around the reverses on 2 level it bounced all the way up to uptrend starting point, and it broke target 1, 2, 3, and you can see temporary consolidation here, and it gave target 5. Let's go to Apollo Hospital. So for Apollo Hospital the uptrend level has not yet triggered, and the downtrend got activated initially. Target 1, 2 and 3, at around this level it got bounced up, which is reverses on 1. Later it gave target 4, which is reverses on 2. Exactly at around this zone it bounced upwards all the way up to downtrend starting point, and it consolidated here. If we go to even lower time frame, you can see how the price behaves at each level. You can see, we can zoom the level, see how the price behaves at each level. We can take Maruti. So for Maruti the downtrend level has not been activated, but uptrend starting point it broke, gave target 1, 2, 3, at around this reverses on 1, bounced downwards, and as I said between target 3 and 4, which is reverses on 1 and 2, the price will spend much time, as it is the most balanced zone between demand and supply. So price will spend much time here, and the day ended here. We can go to Havels. So as you can see for Havels it was a perfect sideways day between uptrend starting point and downtrend starting point, but somehow it broke downtrend starting point and gave target 1 but consolidated. We can go to gold, which is XAUSD. We can go to 3 minutes chart. So initially it just played inside the level downtrend and between a downtrend starting point and uptrend starting point, and later it broke uptrend starting point, and you can see exactly at reverses on 1 it bounced downwards all the way below down uptrend starting point. You can see the price behavior at each level bouncing up and down. Let's go to Bitcoin. You can use these levels for any purpose like buying or selling or hedging purpose. So if you know any script is trading between these level like uptrend and downtrend starting point, you can, if you are trading in options, you can sell a call and put, like going with a straddle or strangle or sideways, any trade which is in favorable for sideways momentum. So if you are seeing later the uptrend starting point is getting broken, you can add respective legs. Like if you are going with a neutral strategy, and if there is any sideways, or if there is any one side momentum happening, you can add the, if you are selling, you can add the legs in the opposite, like how to say, if you are having one lots of straddle, you can add to the puts, so it will be an overall bullish position. Likewise, so for BTC USD, the uptrend starting point got broken, and it gave, the momentum was huge, so it didn't go reverses on 1 or 2, and it gave target 7. You can see at around target 7 the price saturated and came downwards, and later on you can see the price spending much time around target 3 and 4, which is reverses on 1 and 2. It is the perfect balance of demand and supply zone. You can read this. Target 7 in the upside and downside will be the most probable band where the price will fluctuate throughout the day. All the target will act as supports and resistances. Reversal zones are the levels where the price are likely to face strong support or resistances, and where the price slows down or spends much time around these zones. Reversal zones doesn't mean trend change. If uptrend levels are breached, it will be valid until and unless downtrend level is breached, and vice versa. So that's it. So if anyone is interested in getting the demo of the software, you can always message me. I'll be providing the contact details in the description. Thank you.